Welcome back to the BSN channel. Today we're making palm soup. We're making palm soup with a variety of fish and some lamb. So here's the ingredients here. So we've got one chopped tomato. We've got the palm here, but they call this Pea Aubergine. 3 onions, 1 jumbo seasoning, full garlic. I think you can use about half of this. It's up to you. Got 1 big Scotch Bonnet Pepper. This is what's going to be grinded together to make the base. We've already made the base, which is right here. So all of this turns into that, and will be applied to the lamb that we've got boiling here. The lamb has been boiled for about 30 minutes. It's had garlic granules put on it. What do you want to say? Right, over here we got our fish, so I'm guessing that's salmon, tilapia, which is fresh tilapia, and we've got Scad, right? Okay, so that's the Scad, tilapia, salmon. My mom's just added the base to the lamb and the juice that's come out of the boiling process. Do not waste that, please. Mom, what would Nana Ba say?
Have you seen this? It went through my eye, alright? It came off by force. No good.
Oh, sorry about that. So my mom likes to waste the remaining of the base. But me and my grandma, we don't do things like that. But it doesn't make a difference really. So I'm guessing that we're going to let this boil further. Obviously, we're going to add more water to this. We're going to add about half of a kettle, half of this kettle to it. Am I right in saying that?
Yeah, we boil hot water to milk to support the palm soup.
Okay. Have you added the jumbo seasoning to it? Alright, so the base has been applied, which is again the garlic, Scotch bonnet and onions and the chopped tomatoes. The jumbo has been added. So we're just going to let the juices of the lamb mix with the base.
Simmer.
Exactly. Let it simmer. The fish doesn't take long to do, but then again the fish is what, flavors it. Adds another flavour. Not particularly the tilapia, but the Scad will add some flavour. I haven't used that much meat this time. It's not essential to use a lot of meat, as long as you've got the right ingredients. We've got some nice palm right here. Let's see. I'm gonna have to grind this. You're gonna have to grind that.
Yeah, I know that.
What's wrong?
It's not palm. Don't laugh.
I don't even. That's why I said to you, Mum. Why does it say Pea Aubergine?
Yeah, joking. Because that's what they do with them.
That's what I was saying. Why is it saying Quo Industria in the bottom?
They mix that with the palm. Actually. So I thought it's the one I picked that.
So.
Oh my God, my soup now is changed.
So.
It's changed to nkran.
What are we gonna do with this?
I'm going to throw it away. I was looking for a bangkwai, but the way it's turned out, I'll take a little bit from this and blend.
So.
And add to that.
So we're making. So we're making light soup.
Yeah. Sorry.
Well, if you like the video, please like. If you dislike, please dislike. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Welcome back to the BSN channel. Today we're making light soup with tilapia, lamb, a bit of scad and salmon. It was meant to be palm nut soup, but
unfortunate.
yeah, I guess it was just Pea Aubergine. I was thinking Pea Aubergine was the palm nut, but it turns out it's not. So, anyways. So yeah, the same thing. It's just no palm is going to be added because this thing betrayed us. I had a feeling. I had a feeling that it would look exactly like it does in the front, right here. But we will grind some of this. But unfortunately, we can't call it Pea Aubergine soup. You know, it's just gonna be light soup with tilapia, scad, salmon, lamb, Pea Aubergine. Oh, my mother's poured some of this in. She's gonna blend this down.
It makes village soup.
Why do you call it village soup?
Village, they add this to it.
But would you like add this to any soup?
Not really. Unless I bet.
So you'd add this to abenkwai? And what does it do to the abenkwai?
It will be a little bit, you know, different flavor.
Okay. This is boiling away nicely. Put on medium temperature. We've got the kettle boiling away. That's going to be adding to the bulk of the soup. Yes. But yeah, again, I apologize to the viewers about, you know, the little mistake. You know, mistakes happen, you know. We're not perfect.
I'm really disappointed that anybody is looking forward to come and do film.
I beg you do that sound one more time. It just makes me laugh when you do that.
I'm going out tomorrow. If it wasn't because it's late, I would have, you know, run out to buy the house.
I thought you was going to blame me for that.
Yeah, are you sure you took it or I took it from the shop?
You took it from the shop. I didn't take.
Whoa, I didn't expect a quick answer like that.
Sorry. I'm just being honest. It definitely wasn't me, Mom. Okay. That's why before I put the camera on, I was asking, what is... Are you sure this is palm? It says Pea Aubergine on it.
I said they mix it. So they put...
I know, but wouldn't they say that, you know...
Abendro with Pea Aubergine.
But wouldn't they mention it if it was mixed?
Last time it was like that. Abendro, but I haven't even looked for the Abendro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, no.
Anyway, this will be, you know, a different thing to do. Oh, fun to watch. So yeah, we're going to blend this. And we'll be back. Peace. Okay, so the blended Pea Aubergine has been added to this. As you can see, this is the reaction. Yes, looking like lasagna.
Oh, thank you. Lasagna.
How's that a bad thing? Yeah, lasagna is not too bad. So yeah, this is gonna boil for, I'm guessing, another 15 minutes before the fish is added. Why, you're adding the fish early?
I'm adding water.
But I'm talking about the fish.
The fish.
When are you gonna add the fish?
When it start boiling, I'll add the water first.
Okay, so we'll come back when we're adding the kettle.
We are now.
Oh. Well, now this process has been done, this is when you can, you know, relax. All we're going to be doing is just adding the fish and stirring it occasionally. I thought you've added a jumbo already.
It wasn't enough, so...
Okay. So it's important, you know, you taste your soup.
I used 2 actually. 2 of them.
I do that as well. I add one earlier and then add another one towards, well, the second half of the cooking. Yeah, but, sorry I'm speaking slow. I'm actually exhausted, hungry.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot for UK standards. I don't particularly find it so hot, but it's humid. It's definitely humid.
28 today.
28.
Like Africa.
Yeah, it's the middle of summer in London. Wait a minute, it's not the middle, it's the beginning of summer, right? Or it's the middle?
Middle.
Yeah, it's the middle of summer. So yeah, we're gonna come back. We're gonna add the fish, and I'm gonna go and rest somewhere. You're gonna add the fish now?
Yeah.
Which one? All of them?
Yeah. Except this.
Okay. So she's gonna put in the fresh chopped tilapia. Make sure you give me the head.
Okay.
I will eat that head.
This one will wait until...
What, like 10 minutes before?
No. 10 minutes before the soup is done, then that will come.
So a bit of... similar to how you add the okra.
Yeah, I have to go and search for okra, so I like my okra with the light soup. The pepper is chilly, so too chilly for me.
So we're gonna let this simmer. This is how the soup is produced, graduated into something big, something special, something that will be important as it slides down our tongue and meets our stomach. You know? Yeah, and yeah, my mom's looking at me weird. Look, I love soup. Okay, it's actually my favorite food.
Today you are eating it with fufu.
Wow, we're actually having fufu. Wow. I know, obviously it's not the real fufu, I know.
Pounded one.
I have a feeling I'll be having pounded fufu very soon, but I don't know. I can't confirm that. But yeah, we usually have semolina, so this will be a little bit different. It's been a while since we had some fufu powder. It's been a while since, you know, my mum's made soup. I mean, the last couple of times I've been making the soup, so, you know. Anyway, we're going to let this simmer. I'll come back when we're adding the salmon. How many minutes until you're going to add the salmon?
I think 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. Peace. Welcome back. As you can see, the soup is now, you know, finishing its third year of its university course. And that's why we're adding the salmon, which is
not well.
part of the dissertation.
Okay. Got a bit of okra in it as well.
See, this soup, it already smells like it's done already.
It is.
But obviously it doesn't take long to do salmon, so we've added the salmon. My mum's going to destroy the salmon.
That's my main thing.
No, next week we should do a barbecue.
It depends the weather. If it is what it is today.
I know African mums. When you say maybe, it's no. Maybe always means no.
I have a house, so why not do barbecue?
Oh, okay. Alright.
Usually when you live in a flat, it's so awkward. So there's a garden. So leave me here. Jam is here. Jam. Have you finished? Can I make the fufu then?
Oh, okay. So, how long are we going to leave this in for? I was just staring at the soup. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just staring at the soup. I'm just, you know, beyond hungry. But how long is this? I'm guessing about 10-15 minutes at most.
Yeah, 10 minutes is done, but the fufu is going to take about another 10 minutes.
Okay, so
in all, yeah, finish 15 minutes done.
okay, so we'll come back when we're serving the fufu. Okay, peace. Okay, welcome back. Here you have it, which is light soup with lamb, pea aubergine, tilapia, salmon, and scad. As you can see right there, that's the tilapia head. I'm guessing that is. Yeah, that's the tilapia head right there. Some salmon right there. Bit of lamb. Some okra as well. And you got the fufu underneath. So, thank you, Mum, for cooking this. It's very nice. And I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please like. If you disliked it, feel free to dislike. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. God bless. Unless you're atheist. Peace.